with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our gorgeous 1967 Triumph Tr4A Irs Convertible, British Racing Green, black leather interior, black top, 4-speed, 60-spoke chrome wire wheels, California car. We purchased this car last year. It had been painted really nicely, lots of new chrome. We completely finished trimming it, did the brakes, tires, wheels, got it running and driving nicely, finished it off, and it's in really lovely shape. Totally rust-free underneath, totally accident-free, just a gem of a body shell. Really good paint. I think it was painted about 3-4 years ago and then sat idle until we purchased it. But yeah, lovely gaps all the way around. Like I said, really good bright work. Let's do a small, slow walk around here. Excellent 60-spoke, brand new wheel and tire set with knockoffs and hubs. All new brakes. I think we rebushed the front end. Beautiful gaps you can see there. So yeah, this is an IRS model, very desirable, Euro style tail lights. But out of all the Triumph 4-cylinder cars, this is by far the prettiest. I think it's going to be the most valuable at the end of the day. This Tr4A 250 series, beautiful Michelotti styling, brand new pair of bullet mirrors. Windshield's in great shape. You can see all the rubbers in excellent condition. Wipers, all the trim, all the moldings. Just really beautiful all the way around. So we, oh, there's a sticker here for California. Pretty old California sticker there, proving it's been here a long time. Yeah, so new black soft top, restored soft top frame, beautifully trimmed leather seats, brand new panel kit, black with white piping, brand new carpet set. The dash came to us in excellent condition, and also it's fitted with this period wood alloy steering wheel, restored set of sun visors, which is an option. You open the door here. Yeah, so beautifully trimmed interior. Arm bars, perfect door panels, door seals. Doors fit great. We're just finishing the trunk detailing on the car with the gas tank board. But yeah, really lovely traditional British sports car with that wood dash. Let's take a look under the car's engine compartment. Let's take a look under the hood here. So beautifully detailed engine compartment, correct 4A engine, aluminum valve cover fitted. You can see in here it was all painted and detailed pretty. Brand new battery fitted. It's had a really nice clean up under here and paint and detailing. I'll take you around the other side. Yeah, check out the driving video. Runs and drives great. We just fitted a brand new stainless muffler as well. Oops, let me get that hood shutting. There we go. Yeah, the new rubber's a bit stiff there. Yeah, like I said, brand new muffler and stainless exhaust. So super good restoration, just finished. This is our beautiful 1967 Triumph Tr4A Irs Convertible, finished in perfect colors, perfect handsome colors of British racing green, black leather interior, brand new carpet, panel kit, all new interior, black soft top, new wheels, tires, 60 spoke wire wheels in chrome, 4-speed, super good restored car. Very good value here. www.kurttannermotorcars.com.